how to create a Confluence page in Jira. So first go to Jira, then click on the icon here at the top left corner. Then here you just need to look for Confluence, this one, click on Confluence. Now here, just click on create at the top, then click on page. Next here, you just need to give the page a title. So I'll just type in page 2. Then of course you can also add any elements or anything here at the bottom. So let's say this is an example. So I'll just type it like that. Then just click on publish here. Okay, click on publish again. And so you can see now. Okay, now you just added or created a page, a Confluence page in Jira. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.